Hey guys! Today, let's practice some basic greetings in Japanese. First one is this. おはよう。おはよう。Very nice. Next one is this. こんにちは。こんにちは。Excellent. ありがとう。ありがとう。Wonderful. In Japan, before you eat, we say this phrase, and usually we put our hands together. Already? Repeat after me. いただきます。いただきます。Very nice. This means I will receive, but usually we eat before meals, so that means I will eat. So after you finish the meal, we usually say it like this. Repeat after me. ごちそうさま。ごちそうさま。Very nice. This means it was a feast. ごちそう means great meal or a feast. But if you say like this, ごちそうさま, you can use as a thank you for the meal. So when you go to Japan, let's say you're gonna go to a restaurant and you really enjoy the meal, after paying, you can say this phrase as you leave the restaurant. ごちそうさま to the staff members at the restaurant. Also, you can say this phrase too. さよなら。さよなら。Very nice. And if you are taking my cooking classes, some classes goes for 4 days. So after each day, you can say this phrase to me. また明日。また明日。Wonderful. 明日 means tomorrow. Alrighty? And if you are taking my Japanese language course, we usually see each other once a week. So after each lesson, you can say this phrase to me. また来週。また来週。来週 means next week. Thank you for practicing Japanese with me. I will see you next time. Bye bye. さよなら。